Hey, welcome back to Andrew's Spoolful, guys. This week we're gonna go for a nice little sort of a snack that you can eat during your movies, or you have friends over, or just if you want to play video games as well, like my flatmate is doing right now, and enjoy a little snack. As I said, we're going to be making a quick sort of a pizza thing, so instead of making a dough, I'll be using these guys, because they're already ready to go and be used for eating. So everything else just needs to be put on top of them, and then we can sort of bake them in an oven. So what we're going to need for that is some ingredients over here. Oopsie daisy. So we're going to have some tomatoes here, some bell pepper, some ham, a cured ham, some garlic for the sauce, for tomato sauce we're going to quickly make. Which is not going to be from these tomatoes, but from the canned tomatoes. Some grated cheese, some goat cheese, some mozzarella, because, well, pizza without mozzarella, why not? Some blue cheese, and also to make it more interesting for the goat cheese one, add some honey there and some walnuts, because honey and walnuts go well with the goat cheese. So let's get cracking. Prepare your sauce. For the sauce, it's going to be also quite easy, so just take your simple tomato passata, add it to the bowl, start grating garlic into it. Then add salt and pepper, taste, see if you need anything more, up to your preference, and then it's good to be used. Because the flatbread is going to be our base for the dough, you don't have to make your dough. That saves you a lot of time as well. Your flatbread, our first pizza was going to be just sort of inspired by the pizza itself. So we're going to put some tomato sauce on that, then some tomatoes, some pepper, some ham, and mozzarella. Chuck it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And when it comes to mozzarella, a little tip, if you can get a low moisture one, it's going to prevent you from having a lot of water coming out from the mozzarella when it's baking. But if you can find that one, be careful with how much you put of the other one, because you can see some moisture coming out. Second one is a bit different, so just, again, tomato sauce, grated cheese, ham, and then I want to make it a bit more interesting, so I'm going to use my hot sauce that I made, like, what, now, a couple months ago now already? If you want to check it out, just click somewhere over here. Third one is going to be a vegetarian one, so just blue cheese, pepper, mozzarella, tomato sauce. Last one is going to be the most naughty one in a way, because we're going to have olive oil first on the flatbread, then goat cheese, then walnuts, then ham, and then the honey. So when you put them on the oven, put them on for roughly like 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that cheese melts properly and the side of the flatbread becomes crispy. When they're good to go, you can cut them up and serve at the table. And so here they are. You can see all those beautiful little guys we made here. So as you can see, they take roughly no time to make. That's what's a good thing about them. They have no time to make, but they still are quite delicious. So after you're all done cooking and prepping, what you have to do is just, slice them up. If you don't have a pizza slicer, no worry, your little knife gonna work as well. And just enjoy. So I hope you did enjoy this episode, guys. If you did, please click on the like button, comment if you have any suggestions, so if you think I can do something better as well. Subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, guys!